Welcome TTB community. I am Bob DiMenna. For those of you who are not a part of the Traveler's Blueprint community yet, I want to say welcome again. I am the co-host of the Traveler's Blueprint podcast and a travel consultant who helps people learn the tools and research options available to them so that they can become their own travel agent. The information below outlines several options you can take with me so that I can work privately with you via video conference to plan the very specific aspects of your trip and create a full travel blueprint for your next time abroad or in a new city. If you decide to engage us for the travel consulting, I want to be clear that this is not a templated course. Each hour will be catered to your specific travel needs and preferences, and I will record each hour so that I can provide it to you for referencing once we do get off the call together. If you go with the 4-part travel consulting course, you'll sit down one-on-one with me, and we're going to go over everything from itinerary building, airfare booking, how to navigate your destination, some out-of-the-ordinary travel tools, understanding social norms, local laws, how to make safety a priority, and how you can be a more mindful traveler. If this interests you and you have any questions about this service, please feel free to email me directly at thetravelersblueprint@gmail.com, and I'd be more than happy to go over any details or set up a pre-call with you to ensure that by the time this course is finished, you will be satisfied. Lastly, if you aren't quite ready to jump into the full consulting service yet, I do want to recommend the Traveler's Blueprint video course. This is a 5-part course that provides you with a general overview of the tools and software programs I use to plan my own travel. So thank you for taking the time to consider the Traveler's Blueprint for your travel needs. If you're already a fan of the show, double thank you. If you're just discovering us, please think about hitting that subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever it may be. Your contribution to the growth of this show through liking and subscribing has a direct impact on the quality of guests we get to interview. I will never be able to thank you enough for engaging and listening to us. So we hope you enjoy this ride, and be sure to tune in to the podcast each week. Thank you.